Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best lawn mower blade sharpeners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best lawn mower blade sharpeners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Vevor Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener. Vevor 2/3 HP Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener delivers a robust 500W output for efficient sharpening tasks. Its high-performance motor quickly and efficiently sharpens your blades, reviving dull, damaged, or worn-out blades to their former sharpness. Say goodbye to blunt blades. Our 7-inch 60-grit ceramic grinding wheel effortlessly tackles dullness and wear, effectively sharpening blades for smooth finish and extending their lifespan. Plus, we provide an extra pair of sandpapers for easy replacement. This lawnmower blade grinder boasts integrated structure, solid steel base, and blade-fixing brackets for further stability. No vibration, no deformation, just a smooth and hassle-free sharpening process that simplifies your DIY and professional projects. No need for complicated assembly steps. In just 3 simple steps, you can effortlessly set up the bench mower sharpener and get to work. Make maintaining your lawnmower blades effortless and quick, easily addressing blade wear and tear. From high lift blades, low lift blades, gator blades, flat blades to various metal materials and more, this Vevor Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener grinder is the multifaceted solution to diverse sharpening tasks, a top choice of agriculture, gardening, landscaping, etc. Moving on at number 4, we have the AllAmerican Sharpener Model 5005 Gen 2 Kit. The AllAmerican Sharpener Model 5005 kit is worth a look for anyone who wants to put a precision edge on their mower blade in as little time as possible. This durable arm bolts directly to a workbench to provide a stable platform for the blade. The grinder then attaches to the arm at an angle chosen by the user. The arm guides the grinder at a precise angle across the blade's edge, renewing the edge in seconds. This system adjusts to several angles between 15 and 45 degrees, accommodating standard, mulching, and high-lift mower blades. The kit we tested included an angle grinder and a 24-grit aluminum oxide grinding wheel, which worked well, but we obtained a keener edge with the previously mentioned DeWalt flap disc. The AllAmerican Sharpener 5005 is also available without the grinder for buyers who already own one. The kit includes an assortment of guide pins that attach to the threaded grinder handle receptacle, making it compatible with most brands. In our tests, assembly took about 10 minutes, including bolting the base to our benchtop. It's also compatible with wall installation and setting up the grinder. After clamping a lawnmower blade into the vise, we ensured that the grinder wheel was centered on the blade edge before sharpening. This system gave us the most consistent, repeatable results of the products in this guide, and the power grinder made quick work of dull, damaged blades. The jig took up less space than the Wen bench grinder or the Grizzly industrial belt sander, but delivered equally fast results with the best precision. At number 3, we have the Wen 8 inches 5 amp variable speed bench grinder. Buying a bench grinder might seem excessive for the simple task of sharpening a lawnmower blade, but it could become one of the most versatile tools in the shop. The Wen 8-inch 5-amp variable speed bench grinder sharpens and deburs mower blades, pruners, axes, shears, and other yard tools, as well as drill bits, chisels, woodworking tools, and more. This bench grinder comes equipped with 2 aluminum oxide grinding wheels, 36 grit and 80 grit, for fast metal removal and more delicate honing. A control dial adjusts the wheel speed from 2,000 to 3,400 revolutions per minute. Each wheel has an adjustable tool rest, spark arrestor, and shield, and a built-in work light boosts visibility. In our tests, using the coarse wheel and faster speed, the Wen bench grinder made it extremely easy to remove the nicks and dents from the badly worn blade. We used the medium wheel to sharpen the moderately dull blade in less than 5 minutes. We appreciated the larger diameter of the 8-inch wheels because they allowed working clearance between the long mower blade and the electric motor housing. Sharpening a mower blade once a year may not justify the price of the grinder when a flat file does the job just as well. However, it adds to the aggregate of problems that the grinder would solve and the tools it would save, so this grinder could be the right pick in the long run. At number 2, we have the Ankda double-layer Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener. For users who want the sharpening speed of an electric grinder without the expense and storage requirements, a grindstone on a drill bit might make sense. This Ankda double-layer corundum Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener could be the ideal product. This kit includes 3 sets of grinding stones, each with a preset 40-degree angled sharpening guide for a sharp and durable blade angle, and a blade balance. We found the kit to be easy to set up and use. Simply tighten the grinder wheel shaft in the drill chuck, register the blue guide on the mower blade, activate the drill, and guide the stone across the mower blade. The preset angles allow for repeatable results, however, they're only useful for lawn mowers. In our tests, these bits did a tolerable job. They worked fast, but we found it difficult to hold the drill at the precise angle all the way through the stroke. Ultimately, both of the test blades ended up in better shape than before, so we considered it a success. If you already own a drill but not a grinder, this could be the next best thing with a little practice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smith's Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener. Manual lawn mower sharpening can be tricky, but with a tool specifically designed for lawn mower blades like this model from Smith's, precise results can happen quickly. This handheld manual blade sharpener features a carbide bar and a preset angle with a guide, which are both ideal for standard mower blades. The design removes the guesswork and provides quick and easy honing, making it the best mower blade sharpening tool that is not a file or power grinder. Unlike basic garden sharpeners, Smith's Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener offers a large, robust design with an oversized blade guard. This makes handling the tool with gloved hands easy while also keeping fingers clear of the blade. A built-in wire brush is effective for cleaning caked-on debris from the blade before sharpening. Keep in mind that the mower blade-specific single bevel design does limit this tool's versatility, preventing it from sharpening other tools effectively. We selected a mildly worn blade and a deeply nicked blade to test this sharpener. It did a good job resetting the edge on the first blade after a dozen strokes on each end. The second blade presented a bit more of a challenge. After 24 strokes on each end, the undamaged portions of the blade were sharp, but the lower edges of the nicked areas were rounded over, and the blade was out of balance. We resorted to using a file to correct these issues. This sharpener is inexpensive and extremely easy to use, but may not be adequate for lawns with rocks, shallow tree roots, or other damaging obstacles present.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.